Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to download videos from your Facebook business page. This is incredibly useful when you need to repurpose your content for other platforms or simply keep a backup of your published videos. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Once you're there, log in using your Facebook business account credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, direct your attention to the left navigation menu where you'll find your shortcuts. Look for your Facebook business page listed there and click on it. This will take you directly to your business page where you can manage all your content and settings. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, you'll need to access a more comprehensive set of tools. To do this, locate the Meta Business Suite option in the left navigation menu. The Meta Business Suite is Facebook's central hub for managing your business presence, and it gives you access to advanced features and content management options. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to your Meta Business Suite dashboard. This is where all the magic happens for content management. From the dashboard, look for the content option in the menu and click on it. This section will display all the content you've posted to your business page, including photos, videos, and other media. Take a moment to browse through your content library until you find the specific video you want to download. Once you've located the video, you'll notice a three-dot icon next to it. This icon typically represents additional options or actions you can take. Click on those three dots, and a small window will pop up with various options for managing that particular video. From this small options window, look for the download option and hover your cursor over it. This is the key step that allows you to save your video locally. Here's where it gets interesting. When you hover over the download option, you'll be presented with two different video quality options to choose from. Facebook allows you to download your videos in different resolutions, so you can select the quality that best suits your needs. If you need high quality for professional use or editing, go for the higher resolution. If you're just archiving or need to save space, the lower quality might work fine. Select the quality you prefer. After making your selection, a File Explorer window will appear on your screen. This window lets you choose exactly where on your computer you want to save this video. Navigate to your preferred destination folder, whether that's your Downloads folder, a specific project folder, or an external drive. Once you've chosen your location, confirm the download and your video will begin saving to that location. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded your video from your Facebook business page. This process gives you full control over your content and ensures you always have access to your videos outside of the platform. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.